Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about example sum 8.9. Find the standard deviation of the data. So they are given few datas. Using these data you have to find out the standard deviation and also multiply each data by 4. In before sum we are adding 3 by each data. Now we are multiplying each data by 4. You are multiplying after what's the standard deviation of new values you have to find out. Okay, so first you have to check it, the given data are ascending order or not. So 2 3 5 7 8 they are given ascending order. So using that we have to find out the standard deviation. Write one by one. 2 3 5 7 8. Mid value is what? 5. So mid value is 5, that is the what's that? Assumed mean. So D is equal to x minus a. D is equal to x minus a. 2 minus 5 minus 3. This one square 9 will come. 3 minus 5 minus 2. So 2 square 4. 5 minus 5 0. 0 square 0 only. 7 minus 5 2. 2 square 4. 8 minus 5 3. 3 square 9. So now you have to add all those values. Minus 3 minus 2. What's the answer will come? Minus 5. Here 0. No need to consider. 2 plus 3 plus 5. So 5 minus 5 0. The next one you have to add all those. 9 plus 4 13. 13 plus 4 17. 17 plus 9 26. So sum of D square value we found. Already we know the formula. Sigma is equal to root of sum of D square by n minus sum of D by n the whole square. Sum of D square value is what? 26. How many data they are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 data are there. So 26 by 5 minus 0 by 5 the whole square. So this one you have to divide. 26 5. 5 5s are 25. Remaining 1 point add 0. 2 5s are 10. 0. So root of 5.2. So sum of D value is what? 0. 0 by 4. 0 by 5. 0 only. So 5.2 minus 0. 5.2 only. So using this you have to find out the sigma using the long division method. 5.2. So 2 digit you have to drop down now. You have to add 1 0. 2 2s are 4. The remaining 1. So this one you have to double it. Double it means 4 will come. Next 2 digit you have to drop down. So what will come? 45 5s are you have to try. 5 5s are 25. Remaining 2 20 22. More than. So 44 4s are 16. Remaining 1 16 17. It won't come. So next 43 3s are 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. It won't come. So next 42 2s are 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So 2 you have to come. So 2 here also 2. 42 2s are 84. Subtract it. So 10 here 11. Okay. So 10 minus 4 6. 11 minus 8 3. What is the answer? 2.2. So sigma value is approximately 2.2. Now we found the sigma value for normal values. After what you have to do? When we multiply each data by 4, we get the new values. Okay. So what are all given data? 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. So 2 4s are 8. 3 4 what's that? Multiply by 4 only, no. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are 12. 5 4s are 20. 7 4s are 28. 8 4s are 32. 8, 12, 20, 28, 32. Okay. So now assumed mean is what? 1, 2. This one is the assumed mean. Okay. So normally afterwards you have to subtract it. 8 minus 20 minus 12. Square means 12 square 144. Next 12 minus 20 minus 8. Square means 64. 20 minus 20 0. Square means 0. 28 minus 20 8. 8 square 64. 32 minus 20 12. 12 square 144. So you have to add these two. Minus 20. These two plus 20. 20 minus 20 0. Now you have to add 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 4, 16. Remaining 1. 5, 11, 17, 21. Remaining 2. So 3, 4. 416 will come. Okay. So now sigma is equal to root of sum of d square by n minus sum of d by n the whole square. Okay. Here this value 416 by 5 minus 0 by 5 the whole square. This one you have to divide 416 416 by 5. 8 5s are 40. Remaining balance 1 5. 3 5s are sorry here 6. 15 balance 1 point add 0 2 5s are 10. So what's the answer? 83.2 minus 0 by 5 means 0 only. So this one you have to subtract it 83.2. So listen, in before that what you have to do? Already I said in addition means the standard deviation is never changed. But multiplication, that standard deviation answer, you have to get the answer multiple of 4. So like that first you have to split it. Okay. So 83.2 is the no. Now remove the dot first. 832. Okay. So normally multiple of 4 only you have to get no. So 4 you have to take and divide. 2 4s are 8. 3 is not divisible. So add 0. Take 2 number. 8 4s are 32. Next 4. 5 4s are 20. 2 4s are 8. So now you have to write this one. Root of 4 into 4. 4 into 4 52. So you have to put the dot here. 4 into 4 into 5.2. Okay. So you have to take the 1 4 outside. 4 root of 5.2. So what is the previous sigma value? Root 5.2 came up. Okay. So 4 into root of 5.2. 4 into root of 5.2. Before multiplying by 4, we get the standard deviation root of 5.2 only. Okay. The same thing you are getting the 4 multiple root of 5.2. Okay. 4 multiple root of 5.2. So this one sigma values were 2.2. 4 into 2.2. 4 into 2.2 values were 8.8. So sigma value approximately 8.8. So using these two values, what we are deciding from the above, we see that when we multiply by each data, the standard deviation also get multiplied by 4. Get multiplied by 4. Listen, now before sigma value 2.2. So after multiplying by 4, we are getting that sigma value 4 into 2.2. Is it correct? No. So this one 4 multiple of sigma value we are getting. So what's the answer? 8.8. So when we multiply by each data by 4, the standard deviation also multiple by 4 only. Thank you students. We will see the next sum tomorrow.